Happy holidays from Versailles, France. Man, I am loving traveling around the world and working as an instructional designer and AI video producer. It's awesome. I get to work remote, see the world, and keep working. I run into this challenge of how to create a workflow that is AI-based as an instructional designer. And I think I've got one that's working pretty well for me. Basically, you use the AI to help you with the script. Then you load the script into OpenArt Script to Storyboard. Take those image files, tweak them in OpenArt, and then convert them into videos. And if you need to, work on those as well. Then export everything into Design for your lip syncing, because they have awesome lip syncing, especially if you're doing multiple character lip syncing. Make sure you train a character before you start any of this, though, in OpenArt, and use as many images of your character as you can. And then when you bring it into Design and you get your lip syncing down, then you can export everything into your video editor. And if you need a voice clone, maybe use Replay. That's a good one. And then just bring it all together in your editing platform. Myself, I like to use CapCut Pro, but you can use Premiere or DaVinci Resolve. It's up to you. Just keep in mind that if you really want a good workflow with AI video for instructional design, you're gonna need to go to different platforms. But you wanna figure out which one works best for you. Man, it's so cold right now, I can barely talk. Anyway, thanks for checking out this video, and best of luck to you as an instructional design creator.